Welcome students. You are going to learn Python programming and our today's topic is variables. Let's read the definition and learn it. Listen it carefully.
More readability. Area equals length asterisk spread. 5.4 Variable. A variable in a program is uniquely identified by a name, identifier. Variable in Python refers to an object, an item, or element that is stored in the memory. Value of a variable can be a string, example B, global citizen, numeric, example 345, or any combination of alphanumeric characters, CD 67. In Python we can use an assignment statement to create new variables and assign specific values to them.
So students, the definition of variable you have understood. What is the definition of variable? Students, variable means changeable. Variable means changeable. What you can change? The value of variable can be changed anytime. It can hold any value as per the need. Okay, vary means change, able. So variable, another name we can say changeable. Variable means changeable. Let's read the definition. A variable in a program is uniquely identified by a name, identifier. So another name of variable is identifier. Okay, and a variable in a program is uniquely identified. It means two variables cannot have the same name. Understood? In a program, two variables cannot have the same name. If you declare a variable in a program, then this variable cannot be used next time because it is reserved. Variable in Python refers to an object, an item, or element that is stored in the memory. So variable in Python, it refers to object. It may be item or it may be any element, and this variable is stored in a memory. Value of a variable can be a string. For example, B. B is a string. Global citizen. Global citizen is a string. B is character. We take another example of numeric. Example of numeric is 345. 345 is numeric value, or any combination of alphanumeric character like CD 67. It is alphanumeric because C and D are alphabets and 67 is numeric. In Python, we can use an assignment statement to create new variables and assign specific values to them. So how we can assign value to Python variable? We can use assignment operator, or generally you call it equal sign. So let's study further topics. Let's take some examples. See, gender. What is gender? Gender is a variable. Okay, and this is assignment operator, and what value is assigned? Capital M. Capital M is assigned to the gender variable, and M is a character, single character. Okay, another variable is message. Another variable is message. This is assignment operator, and what value is assigned to the message? Keep smiling. keep smiling. What is the difference between capital and keep smiling? Capital M is character because there is a single alphabet, and keep smiling is a string because this is a bunch of characters. So when you use string, you need double quote, and when you use a single alphabet, you need to use single quote. Note it down. Another variable is principal, and what value you assign to the principal price? 987.9. This value is assigned to the price. Okay, because 987.9 it is a number, so you no need to use single quote or double quote. Single quote and double quote are used for character and string only. For a numeric value, double quote or single quote is not required. Okay. Next, program 5.2. Write a program to display values of variables in Python. Now we are going to develop a program using variables in Python. Let's understand the program. See, hash program 5.2. This statement is not executed because it begins from hash and it is considered as a comment. Hash to display values of variables. This statement is also not executed because this is treated as comment. Okay, because it starts from hash. Message equal to keep smiling. What is message? Message is a variable. Equal assignment operator, and keep smiling means this value is assigned to the message. Print message. Print is a command or instruction to the Python, and message is a variable, but it will print the value of message instead of message. Okay. Next, user number. This is a variable or another variable. Which value is assigned? 101 to the user number variable. Then print user number. User number is single quote. Single quote is used to print to display the same value. Okay, comma user number. So what will be the output of the above program? Keep smiling, because message variable is assigned by keep smiling, so it is printed. See, another print user number is then what is the value of user number? Its value will be printed, and its value is 101. So 101 will be printed on the screen. Understood? Let's go further. In the program 5.2, the variable message holds a string type value, and so its content is assigned within double quotes. So whenever you use any string, you have to assign by double quotes. Note it down. Can also be within single quote, but it is exceptional. In place of double quote, you can use single quote also. Okay. Whereas the value of variable user number is not enclosed in quotes, as it is a numeric value. Note it down. Numeric value doesn't need any quotation, single quote or double quote. Variable declaration is implicit. Variable declaration is implicit in Python. Means variables are automatically declared and defined when they are assigned a value the first time. Variables must always be assigned values before they are used in expressions, as otherwise it will lead to an error in the program. Wherever a variable name occurs in an expression, the interpreter replaces it with the value of that particular variable. Students, if you have learned already C or C++, there is a rule. Whenever you declare a variable, you need to declare its data type like int, float, char, etc. But Python, a programming language, it is not necessary. You can declare the variable, and whenever you assign the value to the variable, its data type is already declared. No need to declare its data type. Okay, this is the difference in C++ and Python. And whenever a variable is declared, this is necessary to assign the value to the variable before using it. Now student, there is a time to make